In this video, we will demonstrate the proper procedure for safely changing an oxygen tank. It's essential to follow these steps to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. To begin, ensure that your oxygen tank is completely shut off. Turn the tank valve clockwise until it is fully closed. Next, relieve the pressure from the oxygen tank by slowly turning the regulator valve counterclockwise. Allow the oxygen to bleed off until you hear the flow completely stop. This ensures that there is no residual oxygen remaining in the system. Once the oxygen flow has completely stopped, close the regulator valve by turning it clockwise. With the regulator valve closed, use a regulator key to gently loosen the regulator from the oxygen tank. Once it's loosened, carefully remove the regulator. Now you're ready to replace the empty oxygen tank with a new full one. Place the new tank in the same spot as the previous one and secure the regulator onto the tank by turning the key clockwise until snug. Remember, safety is key when handling oxygen tanks. Always follow these steps to ensure a safe and seamless tank replacement process. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and breathe well.